Welcome back. In my previous video, I was trying to learn to calculate area of a triangle. Now in this video, I'm going to learn about ratio of area of two triangles and some of its properties. So let's begin. So this is again the GeoGebra screen. और मैंने दो triangles यहाँ पर बनाए हैं. Both the triangles are same size and same shape. Now let me show you some features of both the triangles. सबसे पहले तो the first one is triangle ABC and the second one is triangle DEF. Now the area of both the triangles are here. This is area of triangle ABC and this is area of triangle DEF. For both the triangles, I have marked the base in red color. So for triangle ABC, the base AB, the segment AB, is the base, and I will mark it as B1. And if you look at this green line, this is the height of the triangle ABC. So segment CG is the height. Now let's move to the second triangle. Similarly, DE is B2 and FH is H2. Now look at these two horizontal bars, red color. What are they? So for example, let me move this. See what happens? The length of the base changes. Now as the length of the base changes, keep an eye on the area of this triangle ABC. That also changes. See? Similarly, if I move the vertical bar, the height changes. And again you can see as the height changes, the area also changes. The same thing applies here. As I keep changing the base, the area changes and the base also changes. And similarly, if I change the height, there you go. Okay, it reflects on the area of the triangle also. With this, what happens is I can change the shape of both the triangles in terms of base and in terms of the height. I will get my area, and then I think it will be very easy for me to investigate or learn about the properties of the two triangles. So now the first thing I will do is I will make the ratio, or I will write the ratio of the area of the two triangles. Here it is. So now area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF, it is equal to 39 upon 44. Very simple. The next thing I am going to do is I am going to write the formula to calculate the area for both the triangles, which is this. अभी इसका value क्या है? Base B1 multiplied by height H1 upon base B2 multiplied by height H2. What happens is this half and this half gets cancelled, and so you get this. Now what is this equation equal to? I have replaced B1 and H1 with its actual segment. So B1 is replaced by segment AB and H1 is replaced by segment CG, and same for the denominator. The next thing that I am going to do now is I am going to replace all the four segments with its actual length. Segment AB is replaced by the actual value 30 and segment CG is replaced by its actual value 9, and same for the denominator. And now look at the ratio that I am getting. Now this is important. So what is happening here is the ratio of the area of the two triangle is the same as the ratio of the product of base and height of the two triangles. They are same. Now we can cross check this relation by giving some other values to the heights and base. So let's do that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the base. See, Now as I keep changing the base B1, my area of triangle is getting recalculated, and so is the other two ratio. But look at the value of both the ratio. They are same. They are always same. Okay. Now what happens if I change the height? Same thing. See, same thing. Same thing is happening. Okay, so the ratio, the two ratio values doesn't change. So what does this mean? So this means that the ratio which is obtained by dividing the area of one triangle with the other triangle is the same as the ratio obtained by dividing the product of base and height of one triangle with the other. So the ratio of the area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding height. Now what happens if, let's say, if both the heights are same? I mean h1 is equal to h2, then what will happen? So now again I am going to change shape of triangle. Let's say I'll choose this time triangle DEF. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make its height same as triangle ABC. So I'm going to move this green slider. There it is. Now pay attention closely here. Okay, this FH I have replaced it with CG. Why? Because FH is equal to CG. That is H1 is equal to H2. So now what remains is CG, and CG gets cancelled, and what you get is AB upon DE, and its value is 11 upon 12. So what is AB? AB is B1. What is DE? DE is B2. The area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to B1 upon B2. So if I want to put this relation in words, it means the ratio of the area of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. अभी यहाँ पर the word corresponding is important. It means same to same. Now what happens if the base are same but the heights are different? Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the base same and the height different. So let me first change the height, and now I'm going to make the base same. There it is. So now my both the base are same, B1 is equal to B2, and my heights are different. Now again come down and have a look at the equations. So here the base are same. That means B1 is equal to B2, which means segment AB is equal to segment DE. So accordingly, if you look here, this segment DE, I replaced it with segment AB. और अभी मैं इन दोनों को cancel करता हूँ. So what I got CG upon FH. Now CG is height 1 and FH is height 2. Now if you look at the result, 7 upon 11, it is the same as this result, which means this ratio is equal to H1 upon H2. Now this relation we can again put it in simple English words. Here it is. The ratio of the area of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Now this is important. Again here we can test this particular property by keeping on changing the height. For example, I'll change this height. I'll bring it down. You see the ratio changes, but they are always the same. Okay? It's always the same. See? Also if I change the height here, The ratio keeps on changing, but the relationship holds true. Okay, so these are the three properties of the ratio of the area of two triangles with respect to their bases and their heights. And with this, I complete this video. And in my next video, I'm going to start with problems. If I want to further understand it, then I must do some problems, I must solve some problems. Okay, this is the only way I will come to know if I have understood this two concepts or not. So stay tuned. In my next video, I'm going to start solving some problems. Thank you.